Hello, pirates. All right, so today we're going to do another article of the week. We're going to do it about China's one-child policy. So, as always, we're going to go into whatever week it's in. I'll let you know what week it's going to be in. We're going to go into whatever day it's in. We're going to talk about explicit versus implicit answers. So, you're going to listen and follow along to the article of the week, China, the one-child policy, and then you will annotate the article with certain colors, reading for explicit and implicit information. I'm going to give you a copy of the article because you're going to need the actual copy, so everyone will have a copy. It's going to be a double-sided copy. Then again, here is the audio that we're going to listen to in class if you're absent. Obviously, you can listen to it, but you won't be able to get your copy of this assignment until you come back to school. But here is
the little M.
And then here's the markup sheet. And I'm going to show you on Cami how I want you to do it on your hard copy. You're going to find text evidence. You're going to find each piece of text evidence in the article and highlight or underline with a specific color. I cannot stress this enough, kiddos. It has to be that color. It doesn't have to be a specific shade of the color, but it has to be the correct color or my aides will mark it wrong. So 1 through 4 deals with finding explicit answers. As we've been taught, explicit means, right there on the line, we can hear it, we can see it explicitly, something. And then 5 through 8 is implied or implicit answers, inferences, answers that are kind of between the lines that we have to kind of scour through the text and use our power of inference to figure. So let's do number 1 together to show you what I mean. Well, it would kind of help if I saw the question. There we go. In number 1, you're going to find the sentence that tells how long this policy has been enforced, and we're going to highlight it in blue. So again, you're going to do this with markers or colored pencils, crayons. Again, you're literally going to highlight. I got to kind of move myself or underline. But like if I look, we look back and say, highlight how long it has been enforced. So we see it here. We see it in the first paragraph. Doesn't exactly say how long it was enforced, there's a couple spots I'll show you where you could put it. I need to change and make some blue. Because it says in 1980, China enforced the one-child policy. So we could say in 1980. But it also says how long it has been enforced. We see it right here. This law remained in effect for over 3 decades. Until I'm doing this on my computer. It's a little harder to do on the laptop. So that's what you would do right there. And so that's what you're going to do for questions 2 through 4, and then also through questions 5 through 8. When you're done, make sure your name's on it, and you're going to turn it in. I'm going to put myself back to where I usually belong. You're going to turn it in, and my aides will grade it. Now, you don't want to get rid of this assignment because we're going to do another article based off the Little Emperors, the China one-child policy the following week. As always, pirates, if you have any questions, please talk to me in class or please talk to me on Schoolology. Thank you very much, pirates, and have a super sparkly day.